Hey guys, it's been long since I posted, so I just wanted to show you a mixture. The flour. So this flour is going to boil for around 60 seconds or 60 minutes. I don't know. Guys, how long do you take to cook your porridge? This one is another meal that is fufu. I don't know, it's fufu. No. Ghana people. Do we have Ghana people in the building? So, and after that I'll be adding some milk inside my porridge. And also, yeah, I can put this one, or also I have this. We're going to be putting this. Of course, I'll be adding that after boiling everything. I will not be adding in sugar. Guys, do you add in sugar, or you prefer not adding sugar? I don't know, but my porridge is almost ready. And there's also one ingredient that I'm going to show you that I'm going to be pouring. So that ingredient is this. Show you. This is the other ingredient that I will be adding. Just simple. So I will be adding my porridge inside this container. Let me show you how I do it. It is so nice, yummy, of course, very, very yummy. And I'm always real, I don't lie. So I'll be holding my sufuria using this. So let me go ahead and do it. as you can see, I'm putting in my porridge here. Like that. Here, and this is my onion, and we also have some ginger here and the garlic. So I'm going to cut these, going to wash them. I like showing you what I'm doing. So these one are going to be washed, 4 of them, and we also have these. And we also have that. And that. Like that. We're going to use these to fry whatever we are going to fry. Our broth. That is, yeah, I think that is the name. Our broth. So guys, I'm going to be washing these, and after washing them, I'll be cutting them into small pieces and try to show you our next move. So this is my soup. It's boiling. I just added a half a cup of water. Yeah. So I'll be frying these. I fry tomato, onion, garlic, and I add in the let me show you what I'm talking about. I add in the spices. This one is going to be cooked till we get fried brown. I mean golden brown, not fried brown. We just boiled our milk over there. This is the outcome of what I was cooking. So you know very well I normally do cook vlogs, so this one needs to be alright. My God, let me tell you what happened is, I had already added in here the ingredients. That is jeera, I don't know, pepper, the black pepper, the citric acid. So I'm going to show you. So as this is going to boil, it's going to boil till we get what we deserve. Wow, and this is what I was cooking. That is jollof rice, and the other thing is my stew. So let me show you the whole setup. This is just the beginning. Let me show you the whole setup. So guys, this is the setup. Yeah, as you know, this is chili sauce, and we also have the mustard. That juice is for guava, and we also have these. That is hot and sweet. So what do you think? Rate my cooking. When I say guava, I mean this. Yeah, and this is, I'm going to enjoy this. Welcome guys. I hope you're going to comment something.